Izoba lya nyumwabazi w'ebyaro byona mu ihanga byetebera mu kutera karuru ako kuronda bebembezi b'ebyanga mu kibiina kya NRM aho bebenu barondora akwate bendera habwa LC1 chairperson hamwe na chairperson wa NRM aha kyaro utiriwe no kurondora okujwekera abakazi eminyeto hamwe n'aba bantu abine oburema ha mibiri yabo. Tango doeri izoba rugambaho n'abanyamahurire akitebe kikore kya NRM mu rurembo rwa Mbarara yarabura abo bona babere bebembiro kuteza karuru butahindura ebirigiremu.
The registrars at different levels. I've called upon all of them who altered results that they are going to be pushed out of the job. All coordinators of regions where alteration of result took place must forward those reports latest Monday, and we are going to remove those registrars.
Yakakasango bimwe mu byaro ebitatire karuru byine kuterera izoba.
Those areas must vote today. Those areas must vote today. Goons or no goons, security must prevail and those areas must vote today.
Yagira ngo hariho banyishinjiro mu byanga bitari bimwe na bimwe abateganiso kutera karuru.
Some parliamentarians messed up the exercises in their areas. That's a vote of no confidence. I want to call upon the 2, 3, 4 or 10 of them who did that to refrain. The nation is peaceful, the country is peaceful, and the NRM election should not take the country out of that peace.
Yagira ngo hariho ibyaremwe barakozesa register NRM ngo bateka kureba ngo obururu bwagarukwamo.
Where results are not correct, ladies and gentlemen, the people are still alive. Where we have evidence that a person who was unopposed, there was imposition of a candidate on that person, we shall cancel and put the unopposed. Let us learn to respect the rules and regulations of the game.
Omugandi bwa nyuma y'urukiko twashuma mu kashanyarazi na Tango Doi okuzagarikisamo akaruru ako kuronda ba chairperson w'abacyara bamemba b'ubukiko kandi akarura ka Tango Doi no yakakurira abaserukare ba polisi bareto kuma businge kandi akarura ka katererwa ha mundu. Bwa nyuma yo garuka mu karura ka Olivier Karungi yo babe barangirire nyamwabazyo niwe yagaruka kasinga mutahiwe abe atwikirize no bururana na bushatu hari yashatu na bushatu.
Sanda cyanje kinaganise gukora abantu benyuma abakazi na muntu ito kutandikira hansi kugira ngo nito twagira itwahika namuntu ndeka mu gukora program za government zigeneye kubera abakazi kito kagira kitwayeganyira mu government page
akagenda je kandi abazi bagende basibaza kubera ko ibasi ngoja tije bwarikiro nako kwabamberiyeho muri bera yona eyiturabire mu tigezeho kateranye mwabazo kayanga bakagaruka muri izoba nkabambe cyabasa kusinsa munonga abantu baferirwe baza kuzika akaruriki tukafa bingi bagenda.
Tango Doi yashicerera ba MP ba NRM abebe simbero mu karuraka kandi abagwire ngo akabagambira bayanga.
Sayari TV, I want to tell you, if my NRM MP went for the village and was defeated, that's and I'm happy. I warned them in 2020 that you are going to parliament, but the villagers are waiting. I don't know whether you have that. Go back to them. 5 years, not so long. Some of them condemned me and said I should resign as chairman of the electoral commission. But I was saying reality.
Yagira ngo abyare mutwara mushanje n'enkumibire biri mu ihanga ebyaro maganana nibyo bitatira karuru nyuma abazyo kandi ngo ebi bine kutera karuru izoba ritakarengere. Adolphe Ayureka, Tayari West, Agenshonga.